What do you think about these rapids? They're cool. Oh, look at those guys over there. Spraying some water out.
Spitting.
It's cool. It has a good soundtrack to this, doesn't it?
And
The music's really good. What do you think, dude?
good.
Yeah.
This they're spitting.
They were spitting water out, weren't they?
Yeah.
Uh-oh, look down here. I think you're going to get it now, Cass.
No.
Whoa!
No, I did not.
Oh, no.
Expert.
Expert. Right, here we go. There's another big one coming up. Whoa!
They're only going there.
Oh. Oh, we've got some waterfalls down here as well. Oh, this is a bit like Walton Towers. Used to be like with the waterfalls. Coming up.
I think you're going to get wet.
Oh, no. There we see, look. Uh-oh. Crash. Oh. Oh, no. Oh, no. A wall of water. Oh, no. There's another one over here, look. Oh, no. Uh-oh. Oh, no. Oh, God. Absolutely soaked. Oh, get the camera away. Oh, no. Oh, God, I got drenched then.
Good boy, good job, it's waterproof.
It is a good job it's waterproof. Oh, no.
Ah! They just put me out there and it just made me do that then.
Yeah. Oh, no, I'm going to get it again here.
Daddy! Get it, Daddy!
No. Oh, it's all right.
Oh, man.
There's another one of those dudes spitting water, casserole, look, over there. Oh, no. Oh. Oh, thank goodness we missed him. Oh. No, it's like the end of the ride.
I don't.